Please be attentive for the inputs. Okay, if any issues, please drop a message. Okay, so Tech Mahindra for this year 2024. Okay, related. Okay, this is what the update. Okay, from the drive recently, some students are participated in the drive, and this is what the update we got. Right. So first round is logical ability, mean in the sense reasoning. Okay, and you have 12 questions, 15 minutes first round. You just see the pattern. So this is logical ability is nothing but reasoning related stuff. Okay, 12 questions, 15 minutes time. Second section is quantitative aptitude, where you have 12 questions, 15 minutes time. Next is essay writing, only one question, 25 minutes time. So 55 minutes is what the first round. Okay, previously there is verbal section also separately, but as per the recent update from the students who participated, okay, instead of verbal they keep essay writing alone. Okay, whereas they're checking that verbal ability in speech X round, communication round there. Fine. So here logical ability, 12 questions, 15 minutes. Quant, 12 questions, 15 minutes. Essay writing, one question, 25 minutes. All together 55 minutes is the round one. And people are maybe having idea regarding reasoning topics. In reasoning, that too, you need to focus on blood relation, analogy concept, coding and decoding. We already shared some PDF. Important thing is test platform is AMCAT. You need to go through the previous AMCAT platform related questions. AMCAT is the test vendor. Okay, this Tech Mahindra is using AMCAT as a test platform to conduct the round one test and round two test as well. They are the outsourcing people. Okay, they are helping this Tech Mahindra team to conduct the test, right? So I shared already the PDFs related to AMCAT. Okay, so that you can see the reasoning topics. All those are sufficient. You just see set wise, you will get the idea what topics they are focusing more. And today's session also, if you focus, you will get the things clear, right? And regarding essay writing, you need to type the things properly. So I'll share you one link to practice as well. Essay writing practice also, I'll share you the link. This is pure about type. Okay, you have to type. It's not about writing on paper. You need to type. And you have a 25 minutes time. See, in general, they'll give like 150 to 180 words is the time limit they'll mention. Okay, words limitations are not time limit. 150 to 180 words. Less than 150 words, if you type, you are not, this essay writing is not evaluated, you are out. Less than 150 words means, okay, essay writing EW, you are not cleared that. So can I type more than 180? More than 180 words also not accepted. Exactly 180 words only. After that, it won't take greater than 180 words. Okay, not able to type. You are not able to type. It won't display there. Even you type also, it won't display. It will show only 180 words. Sir, I need to count manually, not required. Okay, all those I'll just show here. Okay, this is where different when it is 100 to 180, 400 and all. Here they'll mention 150 to 180 words like that. There is a limit. Okay, don't worry, they'll mention. And sir, whether you need to count, no need. Here they'll give the count in the bottom. Here you have a timer. How much time timer will be there. Okay, and here you can see bottom number of words you typed. They'll give some concept, you need to type regarding that, right? So what they are going to evaluate in this, okay, see, first they'll check whether you have less than 150 words, means you are not able to clear the round. Second thing, spelling mistakes. Don't go for more than 5 spelling mistakes, you will be out. So make sure more than 5 spelling mistakes, don't do that. More than 5 spelling mistakes is not okay. Don't go for more than 5 spelling mistakes. And that too, this is taking reference of dictionary. Dictionary words only you take. Suppose, okay, my name is Hemant, don't put Hemant word. Don't put Hemant word there. So because that's not there in the dictionary, it won't be counted. Right? Check this once. Yeah. So dictionary words only it will refer. Suppose if you want to say, suppose coronavirus, something related to that. Okay, coronavirus or COVID, COVID will not be there. That the word is not there in the dictionary, right? So you can say dangerous virus, use those words. I just want to give the outline. Make sure about those things. Spelling mistakes more, it's a bit difficult to clear. Next one, after comma, give some space. After comma, you need to give some space. After full stop, give space and start with the capital letter. Comma after punctuation marks. So after punctuation marks, make sure, okay, you given after comma, you given some space. After dot, full stop, you given some space and starts with a capital letter, that will be checked. And next they'll check regarding grammar as well. Okay, but I suggest to people to decrease the mistakes in grammar. Go with small sentence. Okay, small sentence with 3 to 4 words will reduce the grammatical mistakes. Okay, so small sentence try, then it will reduce the grammatical mistakes, right? I'll share you one link where you can practice that essay writing. Okay, and you can look into that part as well, right? Okay, and one more thing, sir, why they given 150 to 180 words? See, by the time 150 words, sentence not completed, right? They don't give exactly, okay, 120 words only. No, they'll give range. Okay, you just try 150 words, then complete the sentence. Okay, after 150 words, okay, they don't be in this middle of, okay, that's what, don't go for 180, target for 150 words. Target for 150 or 155 like that. Okay, because when sentence is not complete, it will be taken as entire mistakes. Sentence not completed, that entire words will be considered a grammatical mistakes. So sentence not completed is an issue. So that's why they given this range. Okay, you just make sure that range should be done. Sentence not completed is a problem. Entire it will comes under as a grammatical mistake. So make sure about it. It will consider as a error or mistake only. So make sure about it. Right. Next thing, okay, this is round one. Okay, hope you people, majority can clear the round one. There is a less difficulty here, right? So when you see about round two, okay, when you focus on round two, okay, in round two, you need to think about this computer programming you have, right? So computer programming. If you see about round two, we have computer programming, computer science, automatics. Okay, then personality test, all this. See, computer programming, I already shared a PDF in the group, okay, to go to the computer programming related stuff, right? And computer science related stuff also we given. Automatics. So this is important thing where, okay, probably they may ask one program also. One program you need to type. One may be a program with error. One program with error. Okay, both may be programs with errors also is a possibility. Automated fix PDF we already shared. Okay, one may be like program, this is like a coding question. Okay, one program you need to type, it depends on the input, what they given, what's the expected output and all. Other one is one program with error they'll give. So when there is a program with error, right? So you need to, okay, you can run. Yeah, this can be done in, okay, C or Java or Python. Water it might be problem. No, C, Java or Python, water it might be. You can use those. Okay, you select that language as usual, and if there is an error, you need to clear that error. Or if there is a program to type, yeah, you can type the program related to that, right? So 45 minutes is regarding the two questions. I expect that one programming coding you need to do one program. They given the code already, code with error. One program where you have a code with error that should be cleared. That should be cleared. Right. And okay, see that's what I am showing you here. One question. This is what the example. When input is 4, this is what the expected output. And here program is already given. This is the program or code with error. They selected here the language is C. You can select Python or whatever it might be. So there is some error. Okay, this is actually clarified one. I'll show, okay, the same thing. They'll give program already here. If you run, it will show some error. You need to clear that error. Actually, this is what the question they given. where they mention print. Okay, this is the error in the question. Print is given. So you need to modify as printf, then you are getting the answer. Then run, you will get the answer. That's it. So there is error. You need to clarify the error. Error should be modified. In the given question, error will be there. And if it is programming, means that you people anyhow know. Okay, if you want to write the program, yeah, what is that input? What's the output? Okay, you can start selecting the language, whatever you wish, and you can type the program. But there are some questions where you have, okay, so some errors, and you need to just, okay, clarify that. See, the submitted code should be logically or see, this is the, you can see that the submitted code logically and syntactically correct and pass all test cases. So there is some error, might be okay if you run. Okay, you need see, you are required to fix all the logical error in the code. First line itself, you can clearly observe that. You need to compile, run, and see what's the issue, and you have to make sure correct the error, and all the test cases should be clear. That's what program with error. Probably maybe two questions, both programming with errors, or one. I expect this is what the thing going to be happen. One program with coding, one program with code error, right? So this is what about the test pattern here. And personality test. It's generally called a psychometric test as well. Personality test or psychometric test. Okay, whether you people are, some people maybe, okay, they have all skills, but they are arrogant, they're not disciplined. Okay, they want to check all those things. With these questions, personality test or psychometric test, problem, you see the number of questions, you can't, your mind cannot think like other person because you have very less time. 72 questions, hardly 15 minutes. Your brain cannot think in this less time to attempt all questions. You cannot think like another person. You will think like yourself only. So you cannot think like a good person. Whatever it is there in your mind, that only you need to attack. See here, among these two, left or right, you need to select one among that. That's it. Among left and right question, one you need to select, and you have to go for slightly agree or agree. It takes a lot for me to lose my temper. This one you should scroll. A slightly agree, okay, or agree. Okay, my persistence has led me, or else you can take right side's question. If given several tasks to complete in a short period of time, I would feel good if it is completed more, if I completed most of them. This is slightly agree or agree. You need to move this one to that side, whether whatever the thought comes to your mind, okay, whether it is left side question or right side question, one among that you need to slide. More often than not, I tend to have a positive point of view. So, or this one, I enjoy working with other people to achieve a common goal. So, you are a team member, a team leader, you are fit for the team. So, something they'll take. There is a hidden idea they have, okay, while giving the question. So, you need to select, you need to scroll this mid one to left or right, okay, which is okay. Only one among that. It cannot scroll right and left both. Only one among that. Among left and right, only one among that you have to go ahead. And I already shared a PDF related to that also, right? So PDF related to that stuff also we already shared, right? You can check it out once. Okay, thing in our group we put those all inputs related to this. Lot of questions I already shared. I showed only one slide here. There are a lot of set of questions we shared. So this is all about the glimpse regarding the test pattern. So what's there in round one, what's there in round two, which areas you don't have idea. General reasoning and quant, everybody have some basic input. Okay, and here also computer science programming. This is MCQs, dear. Okay, don't worry about these two are MCQs only, multiple choice questions. This one I shown just now how it is there. Automata fix also I shown you the questions, and PDF already shared. Okay, regarding automata, automata file I already shared. You can check that in the group. Right. Now let me go ahead with few more instructions. As mentioned, the test platform is AMCAT, so you need to look into the AMCAT related questions. As per the inputs from the students, okay, we came to the Aadhaar and PAN card along with college ID card is better to carry for the, as it is a pooled campus drive, okay, wherever the center is given, you try to carry Aadhaar and PAN card. Originals, okay, worst case, if there is any issue, carry at least the Xerox. One government ID proof along with, okay, a college ID card is better. And very important is this, you must and should follow the section order they given. You cannot say, suppose first is logical ability reasoning, next quant, next essay writing. Sir, I'll start directly with essay writing. No. Same order only you need to follow. Order you need to follow same way. Logical, then quant, then essay. Sir, logical, first question difficult, I'll start with last question. No. You need to follow the same order. And I already shared one video related to quantum reasoning. So please complete that video as well. So one video related to AMCAT test platform covering quantum reasoning, and today's session related to quantum reasoning going to help you to crack the things. As the eligibility is more than 80%, okay, so good students with, yeah, okay, fast grasping are there. Okay, set of students will be there. So BTech with greater than 80% is not an easy, not a let's go mode. Okay, it's a good percentage. So definitely you people have a good grasping power. So you just go through the information or PDF shared, at least one or two sets. So there is a more number of questions. So leave about, okay, just see one sets or two sets like that. You will get the idea what topics they are focusing. Okay, you have some idea, then that will definitely, okay, help you out in the exam for sure.